Once upon a time, cardiovascular diseases were more prevalent among elite class and rich people. So it was thought cardiovascular diseases are mainly disease of higher class and rich people. Today, cardiovascular disease is becoming more common among poor people, villagers, working group, and even financially constrained population. So under this scenario, we have a great charitable and philanthropic organization in Have a Heart Foundation, which is doing a fantastic and fabulous social work as well as philanthropic activities at Jayadeva Institute of Cardiovascular Sciences. See, every month Have Heart Foundation is sponsoring nearly 50 to 60 heart surgeries and other interventional procedures such as angioplasty, valvuloplasty, device closures, pacemakers, and other related procedure. Every one of us know the cost of this cardiac operations and interventional procedure is pretty expensive. So, lot of financially constrained people cannot afford these procedures at any hospitals across the nation. So, here is an organization, Have a Heart Foundation, which is systematically sponsoring the poor and needy patients as well as the children and the breadwinners for these procedures. Another interesting aspect of this particular heart foundation is they are coming to the hospital doorstep and choosing the needy beneficiaries for these procedures. So this particular approach of choosing the beneficiaries at the hospital doorstep itself is really transparent, systematic, and non-discriminatory. In the last 4 years, we at Jayadeva Institute of Cardiovascular Sciences and Research have conducted more than 1,000 heart surgeries and other interventional procedure with a sponsorship from Have Heart Foundation. So they have contributed nearly 2.5 crores Indian rupees towards these procedures. This Heart Foundation is managed by a group of noble citizens led by Mr. Manohar Chetlalani. In fact, my heartfelt appreciation and congratulations for this wonderful charity as well as corporate social responsibility. I strongly feel this is an organization has set up a benchmark for various other charitable organizations. True to its name, Have Heart Foundation, this group have got a great philanthropic heart, and at the same time they are doing a wonderful social work. This Have Heart Foundation have not just added life to the years, they have also added years to the life of many needy patients under this program. And Mr. Manohar Chetlalani and their group, the way they are conducting these trust needs appreciation, and also it is sort of a role model for any similar charitable organizations. And another important issue here is they are doing this without any advertisement, without any expectation. They have such an humanitarian approach. In case of emergency surgeries, they are giving online approval for the smooth conductance of procedures, which is really heartening. And on behalf of Jayadeva Institute of Cardiovascular Sciences and also many needy patients who have undergone procedures with their sponsorship, my heartfelt appreciation and congratulations for this Have Heart Foundation for their wonderful social work they are doing. I sincerely feel this organization will become stronger and stronger over the years, and it will save many lives across this nation, and definitely this will set up a benchmark for the cause of mankind.